Hi, in this chapter we are going to learn about rest and spread operators. So rest and spread operator are the new feature in ES6. So by rest operator we can pass argument to a function and it can get converts to an array. So let us move to JSBin and start our start our coding. So I'm starting in the JSBin. As you know, I code in this only for this whole series. So let me close this. Let me open JavaScript. Let me open console. Let me increase the size a bit. Okay, so we will start with REST operator. We'll start with REST operator. So as I told, so it is mainly used in function parameters, REST operators. So arrow function is there in which console.log. So what I will do here, suppose array func, the same thing. I want to pass this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so the one way is to pass it is having this 5 as num1, num1, num2, num3, num4, num5, like this. Num1, num2, num3, num4 and num5. Okay, but I want it as an array. As I have told, the rest of you can pass argument to a function and it get converted to an array, but I want it as an array. So how to do that? So the convenient way is to use the rest operator, in which we have to give dot 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 notation and arr, whatever it is means, and then I am console logging it. So these are the parameters. It can be 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, so it can be dynamic. So let me hit console now, hit my run now. See, it get converted into an array. So it is a very handy feature and used at a lot of places. Earlier in ES5 it was quite tough to achieve this same thing. So let's move ahead and let's see one another very good feature of this rest operator. Let rest func equal to, I will show you what I will do. Let me create the function first. Rest func, I'm passing again 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 7 8 and 9. Again I am passing this, but what I need, the first 3 I need it as a parameter and the rest of them should be converted as an array. So how to do that? To do that, it's very easy. I will do a comma b comma c. So this I want it as parameter, rest of them I want them to convert it as an array. So dot dot dot, and I will do, and it will do it. So let me show it to you. Console.log a is plus a plus b is plus b plus c is plus c. Console.log of n, and let me comment this out. Let me clear it. Let me run it. See, a is 1, 1 is gone, 2, b is 2, c is 3, and rest 4 5 6 7 8 9 have been formed as an array. So this is rest operator. So now we'll see the another part of it, which is spread operator, which is quite similar to rest operator, but actually the opposite of rest operator which takes an array and converts it into a list of argument, and I have seen it being used more than the rest operator. So first what we will do, first we will see a very good example of it in cases which it is even used a lot. Consider, let let consider that we want to copy an array. It's a very common thing in programming. We need to copy one array to another, but we want to copy one array, but we don't want to change the original array. Okay, so it's a bit difficult to achieve. There are methods, but it's a bit difficult to just suppose we have an x array and I just do a y equal to x and then y dot push. So I might think that okay, the copy is done and x is remaining like this. So now I am pushing something to my y array. Okay, so console dot log of y, console dot log of x. Let me clear it and run it. See, both of them have now become 5. Both of them have become 5 because when we do this operator equal to operator, it actually references the same thing in the memory. So it got changed. So we don't want this behavior at all. So what is the solution? So let's see the first the solution. So the solution is with spread operator. So let c equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma, let me do 10. Let d equal to, I need it inside an array only because so dot 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 c. So what it will do, it as I have told, it is the opposite of rest operator which takes an array and converts it into an argument. So it will convert it into an argument, then we are again putting it inside an array. So like this. Now again d dot push 13 console dot log of, let's see d first, then c. Let me clear it and let me run it. See, so the d, this one is coming from here, d is 13 is been pushed, and in c is still have till 10. So c is not changed. So one of the very big issue is been solved. So let's move forward and see some other magic of spread operator and very good use of it. So the spread operator can also be used to merge two or more array, which was earlier very difficult to achieve. So let x1 equal to maybe 1 comma 2 y x1, let me make it x, let a be 3 4, let c be 9 10, and I want to merge all of them. So let d equal to, I want d to contains all of this. So I will do it easily by dot 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 x comma dot 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 a comma dot 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 c and console dot log of d. Let me clear it, run it and see it is done. 1 2 3 4 and 9 10. So we can easily merge this. So now let see, let me make some space and comment it out. So we will check spread operator in object now. So let's create an obj1 and let me give foo a key which value is bar comma x, another one is 42. So I just want to clone it. So as with array, we took an empty object, then dot 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 obj1, and now console dot log clone obj, and after that I will run and it is cloned perfectly. So next what we will see what would happen when we merge two object obj2, like the foo remains foo, the keys remain same, but let it become bias and let it become something else. We are taking y. Let me remove this, and now we will be merging. Let me merged obj equal to, again, dot 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 obj1 comma dot 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 obj2, then console dot log merged obj. Okay, so let me clear it, let me run it. So see, one very important fact, it got merged. So foo x and y, it created another key value pair, but see what happened in the case of foo, it became bars, not this, so it overwrited it. So this is what it was expected. So if there are two objects which are getting merged, so the value of the second one is generated again. So this is perfectly fine. So this completes our rest and spread operators chapter. See you in the next.